Hi, we're about to do a V-ups mountain climbers Tabata workout, starting with V-ups. So lie down on your back and get ready to fold yourself like a book. Go V-up, front up, back up, front up, back up. Make sure you get your shoulder blades off the ground. Touch your legs with your hands, somewhere around your shins. Make sure to exhale as you fold yourself. Stop. Flip over. We're going to do crossbody mountain climbers. Mountain climbers with a little bit of a twist. Go. Crossbody mountain climbers, knee to the opposite elbow. Dig, 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 and dig. Core nice and tight. Holding up your upper body. Great exercise for the core. Stop and flip over back to your back, ab helicopter. So get ready to kick your legs up and down. Go, kicking your legs up and down while your hands move back and forth. So right hand, left leg, left hand, right leg. Knees slightly bent, kicking those legs up and down. Fantastic exercise for your whole body, especially your core. Stop and up, jumping jacks. Go, jumping jacks, touching your fingers together, over your head, and having your feet at least shoulder width apart when they're open, and breathe at regular intervals. Do not hold your breath, not good for you. Okay, that's the order. It's not going to change. So back to V-ups. Lie down on your back. And go. V-ups. Front up, back up, front up, back up. Get those shoulder blades off the ground. Fold right at your waist, just like you're a big book. Stop and flip over. Crossbody mountain climbers. Get ready. Knee to the opposite elbow and go. Dig, dig, dig. Knee to the opposite elbow. Run and accept your horizontal. Hold your upper body up with those arms. Get those shoulders nice and strong, those arms nice and strong. And that core nice and tight. Stop and flip back over, ab helicopter, onto your back. Get ready to kick your legs. Go, kicking those legs up and down. Arms moving back and forth. Right hand, left leg, left hand, right leg. Your hand touching your leg right there at your calf. Stop and up, jumping jacks. Get ready. Go, jumping jacks, fast as you can, with good form. Try to be smooth on all these exercises. Be smooth, because the smoother you are, the faster you will go, trust me. Exhaling at regular intervals. I think I exhale every other jumping jack. Yours might be a little different. Stop. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to take 30 seconds, 30-second break. So we have high intensity in round 2. Stretch out a little bit. If you got water right there, take a sip of water. Keeping it loose. We want the intensity of round 2 to be just as good as round 1. That's why we're going to take a little break. All right, 10 seconds to get ready for round 2, so you might as well lay down on your back. Same order, get ready for V-ups. Go, V-ups, front up, back up, front up, back up. Shoulder blade off the ground, touching those hands to those shins, folding yourself. Exhale as you crunch. Stop. Flip over. Crossbody mountain climbers. Go. Dig, dig, dig. Knee to the opposite elbow. Fast as you can. Hold up that body. Hold up that upper body. Core nice and tight. Stop. Flip back over to your back. Lie down on your back. Ab helicopter. Get ready to kick those legs. Go. Kicking those legs. Legs going vertical. Arms going horizontal. Right hand, left leg, left hand, right leg. Working that whole body at once. All the limbs are moving and the core is tight. Stop and up. Jumping jacks. Go. Jumping jacks nice and smooth. Smooth as fast. Touch your fingers above your head. Fantastic. Keep going. You're going to be burning fat for 36 hours. Stop. And down. V-ups with 2 minutes to go. Finish strong. Go. V-ups. Closing yourself like a buck. Front, back up. Front up, back up. Get your shoulder blades off the deck there. Good. Exhaling as you crunch. Stop and flip over. Crossbody mountain climbers. Go. Crossbody mountain climbers. Knee to the opposite elbow. Dig, dig, dig. Great. Fast as you can. Stop. Flip over to your back. Ab helicopter. Get ready. Go. Kick your legs up there one at a time. And touch your right hand to your left calf, left hand, right calf. Legs going vertical, arms going horizontal. Stop and up. Jumping jacks. Get ready. Go. Jumping jacks. Nice and smooth, because smooth is fast. Okay, stop. Now, if this workout was too short for you, just rewind it and you can repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it, and make sure you click on this video for your next fat burning workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.